The government is undertaking the construction of a new centre at an estimated cost of Rs 70 crore, which will include the Living Root Bridges Experience Centre and the Wakhen Residential Music Retreat. As part of the broader initiative, the villages of Maukarnot, Rangthliang and Minring are set to be developed and linked to form a trekking circuit alongside the development of additional tourism infrastructure. Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K. Sangma reportedly stated that the site had been chosen due to the high concentration of living root bridges in the Walangkhat area. He also noted that the Wakhen Residential Music Retreat is expected to offer tourists an opportunity to engage with and appreciate the rich cultural heritage of the Khasi tradition.
आप लोग कहाँ से हैं? मुंबई से आया मेरा दोस्त को सलाम करो. So we are here in Walangkhat right now, where as you can see the Living Root Bridge Experience Center is going to come up, and the reason why we have selected this area is because the Living Root Bridge density is very high, one of the highest in the entire region and the state. And through this particular Living Root Bridge Experience Center, the tourists who come in will be able to understand the entire culture, the history, and the techniques, and the different locations where these Living Root bridges are. And it will completely make the overall experience for the tourist even more special. So therefore, this is one of the very important projects for us. It's not just this. Apart from this, as you know, that there's an entire trek out here, which will be another experience for the tourist. Along this trek, there is the Wakhen village also, which is known for its traditional music, where we will be putting up the music center, where people can go and train as well as experience the traditional and the local music out there. And therefore, this entire area is being built up as a complete circuit where people can come and experience the Living Root bridges, have the necessary facilities, and also experience it through these museums and these experience centers, where they'll be able to get complete knowledge about the history, culture, and the entire overall Living Root bridges of the state of Meghalaya.